everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Unidenticals. I am Lahari and video for today is simple glam makeup look. You can do this festive makeup for Diwali's, Dashra and lot many more festivals which are coming. So this is the makeup look I have created, guys. I hope you will like it. So keep watching the video till the end. Let's get started. So today I'm gonna do this simple glam makeup look, guys. So I have already prepped my skin with some toner. Now I'm gonna use this Biotique Bio Morning Nectar moisturizer and moisturize my skin. This one is really good moisturizer, guys. It's really affordable. And it's important to moisturize your skin before you do any kind of makeup. Here I'm using the same moisturizer for my under eye as well. If you have a separate eye cream, then you can go for it. Now let your moisturizer get absorbed into your skin. Now I'm going to start my makeup using the foundation by Maybelline Fit Me. This is a really good foundation for beginners. And I am in the shade Nude Beige 125. Dot it all over your face and blend it really well. You can use a blender or a brush. It's completely your choice. Now blend it really well. Blending is the only key. You don't need any patches or cakiness, so blend it really well. And if you are someone who have really light dark circles and you don't need a concealer, foundation will do the job. And we are done with our foundation. Now the next step is using a concealer, and here I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer, and this is a bomb product, you guys, and very reasonable cost, and you have to try it. You just need a little bit of product, guys. Don't over apply it. After that you're gonna look something like this. Now you have to blend it really well. You can even use your fingers to blend under your eyes so that you don't waste any other product. Make sure you are not patchy and not cakey, so you have to blend really well. And it was a fake sneeze though. As I said before, you can use your fingers to blend. Use your ring finger to blend under your eyes. We are done with our base. Now for baking, we need a setting powder. You can use a compact powder or a loose powder. As you can see, I'm using a talcum powder. Yes, it really works well. Apply it in the areas where you have applied concealer and let it sit. Don't forget the under eye area, guys, because you don't want any crease under your eyes. For eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow pencil. You can use any eyebrow pencil you have. Fill in the eyebrows and brush them. You can use an old mascara wand in order to fill in your eyebrows. Now I'm dusting away all of the talcum powder. Now my favorite part, eyeshadows. For eyeshadows, I'm gonna use this beautiful palette from Makeup Revolution. This is a really versatile palette. I'm gonna take that warm brown shade and apply it on my crease. And make sure that you blend it really well. And also make that eyeliner sort of look so that it looks really sharp and edgy. For my lid, I'm gonna take that shimmer shade, that is a really brown golden kind of shimmer shade, and apply it on my lids. For shimmers, I would recommend you using your fingers rather than brushes, because it will settle a lot of product on your eyelids rather than a brush does. Now I'm done with my eye makeup, and now the next step is using a blush. For blush, I'm using the same palette and taking that peach shade. I love blushes, you guys. It makes you look really fresh. apply blushes on your cheekbones, on your nose, and that's it. If you don't have blush, then don't worry, you can even use a red lipstick and dot it all over your cheeks and blend it. Now for highlighter, I'm using this Instant Glow highlighter, again really affordable. And apply it on your cheekbones, nose, on your tip of your nose, eyebrows, eyebrow tips, and cupid bows, and even if you want on your chin. Ooh, you can see that glow. Don't over apply it, you don't want to look like a torch bulb. Eyelash color is completely optional, guys. You can directly go with a mascara without it. Now the eyeliner, the risky part. So here I'm using the ITEX gel eyeliner. You can also use the Lakme gel one. I prefer using a gel eyeliner rather than any other eyeliner because it is much more easier to apply. And here comes my transitions. And for mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. This is my second bottle and it's really good with a really affordable price. For lipstick, I'm using the Darling Isabella in the shade Bold Brown Loyalty. It is available in purple.com and very affordable, just for 120 rupees. You guys can see the pigmentation and color. I've been using this since so long. And this step is completely optional. I'm just adding a little bit of color from the eyeshadow palette and topping it up with a bindi, and we are done. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell button so that every time we upload a new video you will be notified. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.
You are a farmer and after